To install the support tube, you will first need to lower the mower deck to its lowest position. Next, install the carriage bolts through the holes in the bumper and the support tube. Make sure that the support tube points away from the rear of the zero-turn mower. Then, install the tube saddles, washers, and nylock nuts, making sure that the concave side of the tube saddle is against the support tube. Tighten the hardware to 11 foot-pounds of torque, 15 Newton meters. Inside of the bumper, install the carriage bolts through the middle holes. Finally, install the push nuts with a 1/2 inch deep well socket. First, place the hitch assembly onto the support tube and the bolts. Use the washers and knobs to secure the hitch assembly. On each side of the zero-turn mower, install the bottom of the rod assembly into the hole of the fender mounting bracket. Then, on each side of the hitch assembly, install the top of the rod assembly into the top hole. Put the washer onto the rod assembly. Install the hairpin. If necessary, tighten the rod hardware to make sure that the rod is in position. Next, put the bag assemblies onto the hanger posts. Attach the cover assembly onto the hinge pivots. Finally, install the hinge pins through the cover assembly brackets and the hinge pivots. Then install the hairpins. Ensure the mower deck is at the lowest height of cut. Remove the knob and floor panel. Insert a breaker bar into the square cutout in the idler arm to move the idler arm and remove belt tension. Remove the mower deck belt from the stationary idler pulley. Remove the hardware attaching the right arbor pulley guard to the mower deck. Retain the hardware. Remove the right arbor pulley guard. Retain for future use. Remove the discharge deflector mount rod and stop bolt. Replace the existing discharge deflector frame with the frame supplied in the kit. Install with the existing bolts and supplied nylock nuts, which were removed from the discharge deflector mount. Discard the existing discharge deflector frame. The spring should now be on the forward side, as shown here. Install the modified discharge deflector assembly with the discharge deflector mount rod removed in step 1. Wedge a wooden block between the mower blade and the mower deck housing, as shown, to keep the mower blade from turning. Remove the mower deck belt from the right arbor pulley. Remove the pulley bolt and washer. Retain for future use. Install the upper pulley assembly, then tighten the bolt to the torque value shown. Note: wedge the wooden block on the other side of the mower blade and mower deck housing. Install the mower deck belt onto the right arbor pulley. Raise the discharge deflector. Install the blower assembly as shown. Align the blower tabs with the deck tabs and secure both sets of tabs with the D-ring locking pins. Move the idler arm on the blower assembly before sliding the blower belt onto the pulley. Pull the idler pulley lever and install the mower deck belt on the front arbor pulley as shown. Make sure that the belt is correctly seated and tensioned on all pulleys as shown. Make sure that the mower deck belt is seated on all other pulleys as well. Install the modified pulley cover as shown, with the existing hardware removed from taking off the right arbor pulley guard section. Reinstall the floor panel. Align the flange seal and cover seal on the inside of the grass catcher cover. Secure with the screws and nuts. Install the edging to the grass catcher cover as shown. Position the clamps onto the lower discharge tube. Tighten, but don't secure. Slide the upper discharge tube through the cover seal. Make sure that the top opening of the upper discharge tube points toward the left side of the grass catcher cover. Slide the lower discharge tube into the upper discharge tube and blower assembly discharge. Fasten the clamps. Reconnect the spark plug wires.